Hi everybody, my name is Juliana Ross and I'm going to be discussing my research topic, which was the role of lycopene in prostate cancer. My research did uncover a lot of information that I was really fascinated about. It was concluded that lycopene does have an effect in prostate cancer so far as maybe a short-term treatment option. However, more research is being done to see if it could be used long-term and in conjunction with therapy. Um, I was impressed to learn that it is one of the most potent antioxidants, as well as having very strong anti-carcinogenic properties. Lastly, lycopene was also evidenced to decrease the insulin growth factor 1, which actually increases cancer cell numbers. So seeing that that inhibits it is really interesting to me, and I think there's definitely further research to be done in that field. Um, and something else that also surprised me on top of that, um, I was shocked to learn how processing and storage of tomato products, tomatoes have the highest content of lycopene, um, but processing and storage of any tomato product or food that included lycopene in it, the longer it was processed or stored for, actually increased lycopene content, making it more potent on any sort of effect like that. Lastly, for further research, as I've said, lycopene is known for its strong anti-carcinogenic characteristics. It is starting to be studied in more types of cancers, such as breast, skin, and lung cancers. So I think it would be really interesting to see how in depth that could go for the full effect that it may have on those other cancers.